All right, I'm gonna show you how to pick a tubular lock using a tubular lock pick. First, you wanna make sure the collar is loose enough so that you can take the washer and push up the impressioning pins. You can see that right there. Next up, to zero out the impressioning pins, you wanna push it against a flat surface. Okay, and as you can see, it's zeroed out here. Next thing you want to do is tighten the collar so you can make a proper impression. So I'm going to take this right here, and if you look, you can see the pins making an impression as I push in. And there we have it. I've now created a key to this lock, and I can make sure that the collar is tight, and I can save it. I can go back again at a later time, use it as a key, so long as I save the setting. So anyways, that's how you pick a tubular lock. Thank you.